Hi everyone. One of my recordings I showed you all how you can take onions from the grocery store that are rooted. How you can take them and plant them. Yep. So this time I want to show you all how you can take a lettuce. Okay? A lettuce that you have used or one that you are using. You're going to take it and you're going to put it in some water, any kind of bowl, any kind of dish. Okay? And you're going to allow your roots to grow. Y'all see that root coming up? Ooh, root, 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 root. You see it? Right there. This rooted in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So it was a long thing of lettuce. And I took it and I used some of it. And then I set it in water. And I let it sit for about 2 weeks. And that's the root that appeared. So now we are all trying to make sure that we're eating healthy. And we're trying to make sure that we actually have food. So it's a good thing to go ahead and start preparing to grow your own foods. So if you ever decide that you want to attempt, or if you ever need some tips, follow me and I'll be showing you what it is that I do to eat healthy, to grow my own foods, and to cook it. Later.